Hi Virgo, and welcome to Divine Enchantress. And I have to thank you all for helping the channel reach 100 subscriptions. This is like such a positive response, so much love from me that it really helps motivate me to continue with all this work. Now, as some of you may know, that I had a recent poll on Instagram, and you all voted out of the two choices for the reading for mid-May. Out of two choices for money and love, you all have voted for love. And so let's see, Virgo, what is in store emotionally, romantically for you in the remaining month of May, because we are almost in mid month now. So let's see for Virgo. All right, dear Virgo, let's see romantically what is in store. Now, please keep in mind this is general. Many people are watching, and so may or may not resonate with your situation. So take it as it resonates with you. All right, and let's see. Let's get started on what we have in store for Virgo for the month of May 2020. Virgo, what do we have here for you? Let's see. Also, you can now find me on Instagram or Facebook as well at Divine Enchantress, or connect to me on the website. All right. So we begin with Virgo. Virgo for the month of May 2020. Let's see emotionally, romantically, what are the messages that are coming through for you. So here we have three cards, and we are also going to use the Romance Oracle this time to let's have a lovely love message for dear Virgos out there. So let's see what Virgo has in store. Getting to know each other. Wonderful. So as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So maybe for this message is mostly for those who are single, who are trying to open themselves up to the whole scenario of this scene. Now, this could also be a message for those in partnership, and they maybe in this whole period of isolation of lockdown, you are getting to know many things about yourself and your partner as well. So let's get into the gory details of your situation, Virgo, for May. Let's see what is in store for you. All right, Virgo. So in this particular period, I feel for some of you, you are feeling trapped. As you can see, all right, you are feeling that you made decisions, you made things that make you feel trapped or hurt. So you have been the only reason for hurting your own self, Virgo, so far, and you feel very trapped and at a risk of not investing again. But worry not, because in the future we have the Ace of Cups, a very beautiful card for you. So Virgo, I see that you could be in the near future, you could be again emotionally ready to receive the blessings, the right amount of emotional balance and energy that you want in your life, the right amount of love, harmony that you seek. All right, Virgo. So for, I would say that please do not, maybe you were in situations in the near present or in the near past that that made you come to the conclusion, Virgo, that maybe this whole thing is not for me, or maybe I am just too stuck to even think, or I'm just too hurt to even move ahead. But when as you get to know people, or as you give things a chance, Virgo, in some, now this again may not resonate with all of you, so I'm sorry. But those who are maybe hurt in the present situation, or feel or blame themselves for maybe you put yourself through your decisions, put yourself through a lot of negativity, a lot of toxicity, a lot of self blame, and a mess where you feel you are stuck in the present situation. But Virgo, I feel that things are going to change, because the Ace of Cups, as you can see, this is God's hand pouring out a cup that is overflowing with love, happiness, and a harmonious white birth that comes. So harmony, love, and peace, and overall balance in the emotional new. So something new emotionally you can expect in your life to occur. And as you get to know this person, or as you get to reveal your true selves with your partner, your bond gets deeper. Now this was mostly for those who are single. Now what about those who are in a relationship? So Virgo, I would say that for those again of you who are in a relationship, and there were maybe issues which which you took blame for, or which you felt trapped for, even for you there is a chance that things could begin at a new emotional level. If you gave it a chance, things could prosper on a new level, because in this entire period I feel, Virgo, that there's a lot to know, there's a lot to discuss, and you are definitely bound to come out of this situation. So stop blaming yourself, stop blaming what happened in the past and the whole discontent, and pulling and pushing yourself into a scenario where you are not happy or satisfied. Because with the Ace of Cups in the future, if you get to know yourself, your priorities, your needs, if you lay it all out one by one, Virgo, I definitely feel that the Ace of Cups and its beautiful energy could bring in new a new cup that is full of love and light for you. So thank you so much for watching, Virgo, and I again have to thank you all for your support. And and you can connect to me personally as well as on Instagram or Facebook or however that you like for any of your personalized needs. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll be meeting up again soon, very soon, and I hope you liked my table cover. All right, so let's see, and very soon for the June readings as well. So if the love is continuously coming in, then definitely I'll also love to invest my time and make more of such beautiful videos. So thank you so much. Have a blessed time. Thank you.